Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix black and white screen problem in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. This is my A15 phone. See in the home page, it is in black and white. Everything in black and white. So to fix this problem, yes, you should change some settings. Go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display, sorry, not display, go to modes and routines, and here click on sleep, and you go to turn off this option sleep. Click on turn off, and yes, now your phone screen comes to normal color mode. Okay, so in this way you can easily fix black and white screen problem in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.